Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you out there today asking what do you need to focus on to live in overflow with money. This is a real juicy one. I thought this is awesome. It came to me this morning to pull a card on this for you all. Because, hey, who doesn't want to live in overflow? Let me know in the comments. Do you want to live in overflow with money? Imagine living in overflow where money's just coming in continuously and you're able to buy anything you want, pay for anything you want, and there's never a worry, right? Who doesn't want to live in overflow? Like, it's just amazing. So let me know in the comments if you want to live in overflow. And so the message today is all about celebrating. Right? To live in overflow, you need to celebrate what you already have. You need to be grateful for what you already have. Because the more you focus on what you already have, right, the more that will be brought to you, because that's how manifestation works. So if you look at everything you have now, running water, a roof over your head, heating at night in winter, air conditioning in summer when it's hot, right? You're able to have hot showers. You've got a fridge with food in it. Like, what has money already brought you? And celebrate that every day, right? Celebrate it. Look at it. Love it, right? Because the more you do that, the more that you, because you focus on that, the more you will attract in, okay? Because you're giving gratitude for what you already have, and what you appreciate grows. Okay, and so also the other message here is that there may be offers that will be brought to you, okay, and they will give you a high level of excitement. So ideas or offers, like offers to work for someone or do a job for someone, things like that, any sort of offer that comes to you will bring excitement. Listen to that excitement and follow the joy. Follow the excitement, because that's going to bring you an overflow with money, okay? And also another little message this card brings is for those in the arts, this night often brings interesting work developments or offers, okay? And so, because when you think about it, when you're really in something that you love, like doing something that you love, right? Then you're in that vibration of excitement and joy, and therefore more money can come to you because you're in that higher vibration, right? Because money is energy. And so, you know, the more you are interested in your work and the more that you are celebrating and excited about what you're doing, the more money that will flow to you. Like, you'll just be looked after. All right, so there's my little card reading for today. If you liked it, make sure you like it so I know to bring you more. And subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.